If you're in the market for video camera, I am sure you know about this one, the camera of the year. Let's unbox it. Hey YouTube, I hope you guys are doing well out there. Today, we are going to do an unboxing of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm sure there are a ton of videos out there about unboxing this camera, but I'm going to do one anyways, and maybe try to add a little bit of more info along the way, which other videos may not have covered. I'll do a detailed video later on about accessories, tips and tricks, etc, etc. This is a creator combo. For past few months, it was hard to get this camera, especially this creator combo. Just Pocket 3 camera by itself is $519. This creator combo is $669, and I got DJI Care Refresh for another $50 and change to make this a around $700 plus camera. This is not waterproof or water resistant in any ways, plus it's fragile equipment, so I recommend you do get some sort of warranty on it, or buy it using a credit card which offers extended warranty. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. This camera has a 1-inch sensor with gimbal, which can record up to 120 frames per second in 4K. That means on paper, this can record a very clear footage in a different conditions. All right. So in the box, there is a bag. Okay, this is the case. DJI sticker, they're trying to mimic Apple, I guess. Manuals, quick start guide. Oh, they're giving like a video editing app. Okay. Well, DJI is a little fishy with the privacy and all that. I will talk about in some other video. So this is the case. So this is the carrying case. It's nice. Okay, this is the Osmo Pocket 3. This is the battery grip, DJI Mic 2 in muff, and lanyard. Charging cable right here. A tripod. 1/4-inch connector with the USB-C. Oh, the magnet for the DJI mic. And one more thing here. This is the lens, the wide-angle lens. That's the case. It has a nice little sections, felt inside. Big pocket, and yeah, so this pretty much should fit everything. This is what comes in a creator combo, whatever you see here. So it says rotate screen to power on and off. So the screen rotates to power on, and this is the record button, and this is the joystick. So I'm going to peel this sticker off. So this is not a battery, this is just the grip. And because of this USB-C, you cannot, it's aligned in a way where you cannot misalign it. As you can see, it sticks out. So the smooth edges stays on this side and the rough edge stays in the back. Snaps on to release. Snap on to release. It is very small. Let me put this $100 bill to give you perspective. So so you can understand the scale. This is a very small, and it's also very lightweight. Now I have this iPhone XS Max. So, or this basically 6-inch plus phone, the plus models or max model. So as you can see, the length it's a very very compact camera, and it's also very lightweight, approximately same weight as iPhone 13, 14, 15, that kind of weight. This is the extended battery or the battery grip. Make sure it snaps on. And now it adds a length where you can hold it comfortably. Even before you can hold it, but now you can hold it, and you can also access the screen. That's the tripod. With the tripod is again, that's $100 bill. So it adds almost double the, it almost doubles the length. It is a magnetic lens. Okay, snaps on, but then you can't close it with the, you cannot close it with the wide angle lens on. It's not gonna fit. See, it sticks out. So I got to, if it's stuck, then turn it on, turn it off. There you go. All right, so that's how it fits in the case. That's where the magnetic, the lens, the wide angle lens attachment goes. This back side is magnetic. So when you put the wide angle lens, it snaps on and it doesn't move or fall down. And we're supposed to put the gimbal part first, and then rest of the part snap in. The gap you see on top is for the microphone, the wireless mic. You can hook it up there. It's a very nice compact case, and this also has a space for the tracker, the joystick. Let me try to put this in a case. Now, you're not supposed to use the cover, but I'm gonna try it anyway, see if it fits in there. This Team Group Pro Plus Series micro SD card. The logo facing away for matching the DJI side. I got the Mimo app. I'm gonna flip the screen. English. Asking me to connect. I'm gonna connect. It's asking me to put the number. It's accept. Agree. And activate also 3 device when you connect the first time to receive a warranty. So I did buy extra warranty. I looked at the third-party warranties. They were, I think for 3 years they were $100 some for the electronics for this price range, $600, $700. And DJI warranty was I think 55, if I'm not wrong, for 2 years. So 2 additional years. So I think it makes it 3 years in total. 1 year DJI and then 2 year. I mean, don't quote me on that, but most likely that's how it is. It's 2 year warranty, which starts after your first year warranty ends. That's how I understood it. It might be different, but this is not a waterproof camera. This is not a weatherproof, rather. So even if it rains or, in my experience, DJI products, even though they are not waterproof, they are very water resilient. My drone, Mini 2, fell inside the water. It was submerged for a good half an hour or 15-20 minutes at least. And when I took it out, removed the battery, dried it, and started up the drone, and it did work. So yeah, they're extremely resilient to the weather. Okay, I'm gonna close it so I can put it down. Let me log in, confirm account, activating. So it's asking me for DJI Care Refresh, and it's attached to the email address. Completed. Yes. Get started. Enjoy live view. Manage files. Tutorials. Update firmware. Join. So I'm going to try to update the firmware. Let's see if this one. Alright, so the camera is already active using a Mimo app. I have a next video coming up for accessories for Osmo Pocket 3. Please consider subscribing to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.